anxiety starts with a thought. We've talked about that. It's a predictive thought. You're predicting some terrible thing is going to happen, the scary worst possible outcome. And so cognitive behavioral therapy makes sense because it's cognition triggering behavior as a way of addressing it. And cognitive behavioral theory is really, it's a theory. It's a therapy, but it's also just a way of approaching things. And essentially you're accepting that your emotions or your thoughts affect your emotions. And so that if you can examine your thoughts and sort of control your thoughts, you can control the emotions as well. So the first step, there's sort of a three-step process in CBT, is to identify the triggering thought. What is this thought that's scaring the heck out of you? And it seems like it ought to be obvious. If you, I don't know, are scared of heights and you're up somewhere high, yeah, you're going to be scared, and that seems really obvious. But it's not always obvious what is triggering anxiety. A lot of time, all you know is you're having anxiety. You really don't know what it's about. So if you can nail it down to, oh, I'm afraid I'm going to fail at work, or oh, I'm afraid this assignment is going to come and I'm going to freeze up and not be able to tackle it. Okay, fine. Now we know what the thought is. That itself can really bring a lot of relief to anxiety. Just, oh, that's what's scaring me. Oh, that's all this is. Immediately it seems a little bit more concrete, a little bit more manageable. The second step in CBT approach is to reality test the thought. So, all right, are you going to be able to do this thing? Is this assignment really so terrible? Are you likely to fail at it? I mean, you've had other assignments. It seems like you've gotten by. If you really think you're going to fail at it, maybe we can take some steps to, ask for help or, address it in a sort of a sane kind of conscious way. The idea here is to pull out of the regression, pull out of being that scared child, that terrified person, and pull into the adult who feels a little bit more, oh, I have some autonomy, I have some control over my life. That's the goal here. And the last step is to formulate a soothing counter thought. So you've got the scary thought, come up with a counter thought. Well, I've done okay so far, I'm doing my best, which is, doing all I can. If things don't work out, it's not a disaster. These sorts of mantras can be very helpful.